Nice full moon tonight.
Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and it's train time. Look at that gorgeous sunset behind me, and then the full moon's out also. Oh, we got a train coming. Let me see here, I'll turn this around. And once again, I don't see anything. I was going to tell you at the beginning of the video, the gates were down for like 12 minutes. And there was cars piling up. They were turning around. One scene, the dad had told the daughter, let's go for it. And she was like, I don't think so. And so they turned around. But the train finally came, and looks like this time again, there is no train coming. So hopefully nobody makes a run for it. But we should see Amtrak and a container train. Maybe a VRE, I'm not sure. We'll just have to wait. Well, these gates have been down for about 5 minutes. No train, of course. We might have a gate runner here. Oh, he's gonna turn around. All right, this guy's getting out of his car. He's gonna look, say no train coming. He's looking, he's figuring it out. He doesn't see anything. He's not sure what he's gonna do. Oh, now we hear a train. Don't do it. He's telling his daughter, let's go for it. Don't do it. Oh, don't tell me they're gonna do it. Smart man. They're turning around. Gates have been down over 11 minutes. Finally, a train coming. The black car came back.
my side mirror. Well, the gates went back up, and now they're going back down. Maybe I'll call the number. Because there is nothing coming. Let me call the number on here and report a problem. Wow, that's a beautiful sunset, but of course, I just called the number. They thanked me very much. So we'll just see what happens. Hopefully nobody runs it. Oh, this guy in the truck, don't do it. I hear the train, but he is way down there. I must say, for a commuter train here in Washington, D.C., I see like maybe 15 people on this train. Well, let's see what the gates do. They were down for about 10 minutes before that train came. I called the number. We'll see what happens. They thanked me for it. Yeah, these gates should have gone up by now. Oh, I hear another train coming. But usually the gates will be up because the train is way down there. Well, I see the train. He is just creeping along. Wow, what a crazy night for train spotting. Another turner. Another U-turner. Norfolk Southern's getting a little closer. I think that's Amtrak way down there. This is really interesting. Well, that guy just ran the gates. No, don't you do it. I think he's turning around. Good job. That guy was nuts, man, who ran the gates. It figures he ran it when I wasn't filming. He had a family in the car. They might have told him about the signals. Because, this guy was thinking about it, but he sees the train right there, so don't do it. Oh, now they got the gates up. Oh, we got a car coming. Oh, oh, what an idiot. That guy gave me a thumbs up. Said thank you. I doubt if you heard that. Oh, look at this. That was cool. I believe that's Amtrak coming. Man, what's some crazy train action tonight? Hopefully the gates don't go back down, but I think the trains were coming through here pretty slow just for safety reasons. Yeah, there's the full moon. I must say that was a crazy evening of train spotting there. Gates malfunctioning, cars running the gates, people taking chances. It's crazy, and you wonder why there's so many accidents. But everybody made it through safe. I called the number, so they're going to get out here soon. And I think that's going to do it here. I'm at the Manassas Regional Airport. And on that note, travelers saying, see you by the rail.